Madam Sophie here again to do another makeup tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. This makeup look is rather simple. I only used the Soft Glam, the 80H Soft Glam eyeshadow palette for this look, as well as some glitters. And this look is very basic, very simple, but definitely is making a statement. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this look, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe on your way out. And before you hit that subscription button, be sure to drop something nice in the comment section just so that I can officially welcome you to the Madam Sophie channel. Alright, so let's jump right into the tutorial.
So to begin this eyeshadow tutorial, I'm going to be priming my eyes today with the Fenty Beauty eyelid primer or eyeshadow primer. This is actually my new favorite. I think I did not pay close attention to this Fenty Beauty eyelid primer, but certainly this eyelid primer is my new found favorite. So this is what I'm going to be setting up my eyelid with for today, and you will actually see how that primer pays off at the end of this tutorial. This look will be done using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start with the shade Burnt Orange. That is a shade on the bottom row of this eyeshadow palette. I'm basically going to kind of use it to set my eyelid. Well, not necessarily set my eyelid, but this is going to be the first layer of color I'm going to apply before I move into the deeper colors or the deeper shades in this eyeshadow palette. The next shade I'm going to be using is called Sienna. Sienna has a brown shade. It's basically a brown shade but with a deeper tone to it. So this is the color I'm going to apply, and you will see that I will be doing lots and lots of blending. I really want to make sure that the colors are well blended. Again, this is going to be a matte look. The only thing that will really be not matte in the look is going to be the glitter areas in this eyeshadow look. So I really want to at least make sure that my matte colors look well blended. The color or the shade Dusty Rose, I'm also going to use my eyeshadow brush and basically pat that color in. I really want that color to stand out, and this is why I am doing, or I'm applying this shade in patting motions, just to make sure that it shows out, it stands out, and it is well represented on the eyelid. And now for the fun but longest part of this tutorial. So I am now going to jump right into my liquid eyeshadow, or my liquid glitter eyeshadow. That is from the Hang Fang brand. I bought this off AliExpress. Yes, I bought it off AliExpress. And basically I'm going to be using 3 shades. I believe I'm going to be using, or I use, number 3, 4, and 5 for this look, and you will see that it took time. I started off with a small line, then I moved in, I made the line a little thicker because I needed it to really stand out on the eyelid. Again, for this look, or for this part of the tutorial, I basically took the liquid eyeshadow, I put some at the back of my hand, I use a liner brush, I dipped it into the liquid liner, and this is basically what I use, or what I am using to apply that glitter eyeshadow. And guys, for the first part of the tutorial, I've used a blending brush. A blending brush was what I used to blend those colors in and apply them on my eyelid. So lashes are on, foundation is on, everything seems about to just be on. And for highlighter, I'm just going to go on with a very light hand using the Amarezi highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what I use to highlight my face. You will see that I'm going back into the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go right into the Sienna color, and also I'm going to be going into the rustic color to apply to the bottom lash part of my eye. To define my bottom lash area, I will be using the Eligo Pro Prime, and I will be using it in the color white. I will be applying this pencil or the primer on my bottom lash area. This is actually a great dupe for the NYX eyelid primer in Milk. So this is what I've been using, and I really love this product. So I'm going to apply this on the eyelid. And I'm also going to jump right back into the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I will be using the color Glistening, and I will be popping that color in the tear duct area of my eye. Before I end this video, I just want to let you guys know that if you don't want to do the glitter line and just leave this look as a natural look, that would work for you. You could suit your preference, that's okay. But I just chose, since it's a New Year's Eve inspired look, this is why I chose to do this look that particular way. For lip color, I will be using the Sugar Pill liquid lip color in the shade Spank. And in addition to that, prior to applying that lip color on my lip, I went ahead and lined my lip using the NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Club Hoppers.
Okay, Sophia, so there you have it. This is a New Year's Eve inspired makeup look. I will be having a couple more, probably 1 or 2 more videos of eyeshadow looks for the New Year's Eve. So I'm gonna be having these coming up pretty soon. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. To my regular viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in the next video. To my new subscribers, or if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for choosing to subscribe to the Madame Sophie channel. Don't forget to drop something nice in the comment section so that I can officially welcome you to the Madame Sophie channel. That's gonna be it for today. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.